Hello there. My name is John Allen. I work in the support department at Skyscape. If you ever have any questions about Buzz or any of our other Skyscape products, please reach out to us. We are here for you. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with Buzz. Buzz is our HIPAA-secure telehealth, text, voice, video communications platform. One of the first things we like to show people what to do in Buzz is how to invite others to Buzz. You can invite anyone to use Buzz. Family members, coworkers, specialists, third-party providers. It's easy to send out an invite and it will help you to build your community. On your screen, you'll see I have the Buzz mobile app open to the left, and on the right I'm logged into Buzz Online using my web browser. If we go ahead and look at the Buzz app, we can see these three lines in the upper left-hand corner. We call this the burger menu. By tapping on the burger menu, you can view a variety of different settings. Scrolling down a bit, you'll see Invite. Tapping on the invite will open to the invite form. Here, you can enter the person you want to invite's name, and you can send out the invite either by text message or email. The great thing is, when you send out the invite, Buzz sends it out on your behalf. You keep your anonymity. I'm going to send this invite via text message here. And it's always free to send out invites to anybody, so feel free to send out as many as you like. And you can also send out an invite on your computer or on WebBuzz. You'll see that down below in your main menu. Looks like a gift icon, and you'll have the same form that goes out there. Looks like my invite went. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like. Having someone in your Buzz circle allows you to quickly communicate and collaborate effectively in Buzz. You can add someone to your Buzz circle through contacts. Let's go ahead and take a look at my contacts on my mobile app here to my left. If I open up the contacts on my mobile app, I can see at the top a nice filter to search, and then below some favorites, and then I see my Buzz circle. To add someone to my circle, I will tap on the blue silhouette plus sign icon to open up to search. Same goes for my computer on my web browser with WebBuzz. I just click on the contacts to view my circle and click on the blue silhouette plus sign icon to search. I can search by name, email address, and phone number. I'm going to search my specialist, Dr. Nandini. Just type in Nandini here. Tap on the user you'd like to add to your circle and add them to your circle. Once you add someone to your Buzz circle, you can start to communicate with them securely. Just tap on their name and you'll be able to start a Buzz chat, send them an audio dictation, or even a Buzz to Buzz call. You don't even need to know their number. Just tap right on Buzz to Buzz call and you can start to talk to them securely. Now that we've talked about building your community in Buzz, by inviting and adding people to your Buzz circle, you can start to communicate with them. I myself often like to send messages in group chats. Creating groups in Buzz is an easy way to collaborate with numerous people. Let's set up a group chat in Buzz. You'll find there's more than one way to do something inside Buzz. Here's just one way to set up a group chat. On my mobile device, I'll go ahead and tap on chats, open them to my most recent screen. Here, of course, I have my favorites at the top. I can filter, and then I can see, of course, a timestamp and when the date it came in. I can also tell whether it's a group message or a one-on-one message by the gold font or versus the darker color font on a message on here. And if we start to scroll down a bit, we can see little badges letting me know how many messages we haven't read on here, little red dots there. And over to the top right corner, we have this little green lock with a plus sign on it. This is the new conversation icon. I can start a new chat with a single user, chat with a group, see all my groups, chat with multiple users, create an odd hat group. I can create a single group. I can even clone a group that I've already created. I can even send a message to someone that's not using Buzz via Buzz link. For now, let's go ahead and create a group. When we create a group, the first thing Buzz asks us to do is to choose our players to add to the group. We need at least one person to create a group, and don't worry, you can always add more or remove people from a group at any time. I'll select Dr. Nandini here to get started. All these people are a part of my Buzz circle, so I can add any one of them to my group. Now that I have at least one person selected to be in the group, I can tap on the check mark in the upper right hand corner of the screen to continue. Now Buzz will ask me for a group name. By default, what it does is it grabs all the players' names that are involved in the group and makes a group name out of their initials. But we can change that to something more meaningful. We find some people like to create patient-centric groups based around the patients themselves. So let's go ahead and create this group using the patient's name. And perhaps maybe another identifier, like a date of birth or primary care physician. We can even add a customized group picture icon to identify on the go quickly. We can, of course, do the same thing on WebBuzz too. We go over here to our chats. We can see most recent chats over here to the left. We can see all of our Buzz users, all the people in our organization, and group chats. And here I can click right on Create Group. From here I can clone a group that's already been created, create a new group. I can set up this group to be a broadcast only group, meaning I can send out messages that only people can read, won't be able to respond to. Maybe I want to send out some flyers or handouts. I can also link it to my organization if I needed to as well. When we create a group, you'll notice the group name at the top and your chat screen below. Let's go ahead and send a message out to our group members. Let's go ahead and say, hello team. When I send out this message, of course, I can see the timestamp. I can see these check marks to the left where I can view the status of the message, whether it's been delivered. You can see here it's been delivered, but the doctor hasn't read it yet. When the doctor has read it, you'll notice the check marks will change from 1 to 2 check marks. And that shows visually that the status has changed and the doctor has read the message. It tells me what time they've read the message as well. We can also interact with these messages. Just by tapping on or around the colored box of a message, we can open up to the message actions. Here we can tag a message, have a message read out loud, favorite a message, save a message to my save box. I can reply to a message, forward a message. If it's a message of my own, I can edit it. I can delete the message. I can connect to Skyscape Lightning, where I can find fast clinical answers by a keyword or a phrase. I can even set up the message as a stat message. I'm going to go ahead and edit the message. Let me edit my message to add a little something. Perhaps you had a typo and you wanted to change something. No need to have to rewrite the message down below. You can simply edit the message on the fly. When you update the message, it's going to show not only the updated timestamp, but you can pull up the original message that was sent out and the edited history of that. And again, you can do this on WebBuzz as well from your computer. Just tap on the little pencil icon next to the message there, or tap on the arrow icon pointing down to pull down your message actions. The message actions are a great way to interact between messages. Here on the web buzz, you can see that little arrow right next to the message. By tapping on it, you can pull down those same message actions you saw before. To tag a message, have the message read out loud, favorite a message, save that message in a save box, reply to it, forward a message, delete it, of course connect to Skyscape Lightning, and edit the message if you need to. Check it out. On my mobile device, I can see three little ellipses going on. Looks like someone's typing a message to me in real time, and I can see when I'm interacting with somebody there. Oh, Dr. Nandini, hello, glad to be here. Great, I'm glad we got a reply back from Dr. Nandini. Let's go ahead and start communicating with them. I can see Dr. Nandini's message here. Let me go ahead and reply to the message. Just tap on my message actions. Replying to a message really helps keep all those thoughts together. A lot of times with group messages, you have multiple conversations going. By replying to a message, it's going to keep that message and all those messages that have been replied together in one single thread. So this will help you know what you're replying back to. You can see here when we send out the message, we have a nice updated icon next to it. Looks like a nice thread icon. If we click on it, we can see all the messages that have been replied to it. So here's our thought pattern where we're able to see what messages are related to each other. Not only can we send text messages, but we can also send media messages. You'll notice a little paperclip icon towards the bottom of the screen here. By tapping on this, we can open up to different types of messages. Whether we want to send out a document, perhaps a PDF, we can send out our location, we can send out an audio dictation, a video, an image, a calendar invite. We can even create canned messages that we can save for later and use at any time we want. Let's go ahead and send a file or document to this group. I can open up my files, and I have this hooked up to my cloud drive, or if I have an EMR system, I can pull it from there. I'm going to go ahead and select these lab reports that are available here. On my computer, I can even drag and drop items that are in there. I got this lab report. I'm going to write a little comment in here for the doctor to please review this lab report. And when I go ahead and send off this message, not only is it going to send the attachment itself, but also my comment here. And here I'm showing you I can pull, drag and drop, or select items right here from my computer if needed. Now that I've posted up this document, we can tap on it to view it, or even edit it through our BuzzFlow system. Here I can tap on the file to view it. I can zoom in a little bit further. I can mark it up if I needed to. I can save this file as well. I can save it to my save drive. I can forward it if I wanted to. It's quickly and easily I'm able to open up files inside here and send them back and forth at ease. Another great feature inside the Buzz app is the ability to share your location. Here I'm able to open up a map of the area that I'm at and share my location in real time. Whether it's a patient, you're trying to figure out what's close by them, maybe you're looking for prescriptions, you want to see what clinics are available next to you, you can broadcast your location. Perhaps I'm a nurse on assignment out in a rural area. I can broadcast my location to where I'm at, and you can explore that area. You can see what's around me, whether it's a restaurant, a clinic, pharmacy. I can quickly pull it up on my map or a nice list view. I can zoom in, find out the directions, or even pull up a website of what I'm looking for here. You never have to leave the Buzz environment to do this. You can stay within the encrypted environment and still be able to share your location, set up group chats, all at ease. Another great feature about Buzz, how it works and integrates into your daily workflow, is if you ever wanted to add or remove someone from a group, it's as easy as managing your members. You'll see right at the very top there the name of the group, and just clicking on that name will actually open up to the group settings. And here you can play around with it, mark it as a favorite, change some notification settings, but you can see where you can add and remove some of the members down below. Let's add another member here. Since I created the group, I can add more users from my Buzz circle or remove them. Now that we've added another member, we can actually give them permission to view any of the past messages by sharing them. Just sliding my finger to the left here or clicking on share will actually allow the user to read all the past messages in the group so they can get caught up to speed and hit the ground running. The flexibility of being able to add and remove users from a group is truly remarkable. It will keep the integrity of the message as well as cater to those HIPAA policies where you can even share those messages with other users. Not only can we send text and multimedia messages, but we can also call people using Buzz. Let's explore the Buzz phone. Here I have my Buzz phone dialer. I can make calls both cell and landline phones. I also have a few verified numbers which I turned into different caller IDs. This will protect my private cell number when I make outgoing calls, so the receiver only sees what my caller ID I choose. There's also a call history that will log how much time is spent with the call. You can even record calls and have them played back. You can set up your phone and caller IDs in the settings. And here are my phone settings. I can verify as many numbers as I like. I do need to verify a number in order to add it to my caller ID. But to verify a number, it's as simple as entering in the number you'd like to verify. It can be a landline or cell phone number. When you verify the number, it's going to send a code to that number you verify, and you just enter in the code here. Once you verify that code, that number will be verified, and you can create a caller ID using that verified number. It's as simple as creating a verified number and then creating a caller ID from that. Here I'm going to go ahead and set up my clinic phone number from my list of verified numbers and add the caller ID. Now whenever I like, I can choose this caller ID when I'm calling out to my patients or a third-party provider, and they'll see that the caller ID is what I've chosen. Buzz also has video conferencing. Sending out a video conferencing invite has never been easier. From your mobile device, tap on your burger menu, scroll down to see Start a Video Conference. From your computer, you'll see it right on your main menu, Video Conference, click on it. You'll get a nice easy to use form where you can enter in the name of the person you want to send the invite to, and of course whether you want to send the invite via email or text message. The great thing is the invite gets sent by Buzz on your behalf, and it's extremely easy to join. You can set up a reoccurring time, some notes, invite other people to this video chat. Here we just sent out the video chat via text message, and we can pull it up in our sessions and see the same text message available in both our web Buzz and from our mobile app. We can start the session at any time, and we can resend the invite. Here's what the link would look like when you send it by text message or by email. One click and you connect. No software to download at all. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you learned a little bit more about Buzz. If you ever need any assistance or help, please reach out to us at any time.